Welcome to the launch of the 8th edition of the Zydus Pinkathon in New Delhi. I'd like to thank the members of the press, Doctor, and also the ambassadors of Pinkathon for being here. A big cheer for when the Pinkathon moves on, and they've done a fantastic effort through the pandemic years. This is the first time we're coming back to New Delhi after the pandemic. It's been fantastic, and we hope to make the event bigger than ever on the 8th of March. But thank you all for coming, and we need obviously a lot of support from the media that is here. I would like to thank first the Hyatt Regency, Hyatt Hotels for the hospitality. Mr. Wadman, could I request you to come on stage and we will. And especially in Delhi where it's very cold, we need the warmth. So thank you very, very much. So how people not taking care of their fitness, because of course इतने responsibilities होते हैं महिलाओं के, families भी होती हैं, jobs होते हैं, businesses होते हैं, and the last person to get any kind of attention is the woman herself. So we wanted to change that perspective and we said कि अगर आपको 100% अपने family को देना है, 100% अपने job को देना है, 100% अपने business को देना है, तो आपको 100% पहले बनना होगा. You don't want to give less than 100%. And to give 100%, to become 100%, you need to give that little bit of time to yourself. थोड़ा सा समय अपने लिए निकालना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. थोड़ा सा समय. I mean, to give you my own example, लोग समझते हैं कि मैं बहुत फिट हूँ और हूँ बहुत फिट हूँ, काफी फिट हूँ. But I exercise about 10 minutes every day. मैं कभी जिम नहीं जाता, मैं जिम नहीं गया. It's very fluid. मैं जैसे मुझे समय मिलता है, वो समय का मैं उपयोग करता हूँ. And that is something I like to tell people who say that we have no time. And I think women are the busiest of all. कि घर का भी देखना पड़ता है, बाहर जॉब का देखना पड़ता है, बिजनेस का देखना पड़ता है, हर चीज़ में उनका टाइम जाता है. And it's very important that they take out some time for themselves. तो हमने 3 kilometers के साथ शुरुआत की, क्योंकि अगर बोलेंगे कि 10 करो, तो anybody would say that 10 kilometer कैसे हो सकता है? It's too much, right? For the first time. So we started with the 3 kilometer and the 5 kilometer and the 10 kilometer. कि इसके साथ शुरुआत करो, walking, running, jogging, जो भी आपसे होता है. And then we found कि there were a lot of reasons why women were not participating. कि मैं तो shorts नहीं पहन सकती, tights नहीं पहन सकती, मैं तो सिर्फ साड़ी में comfortable हूँ. And we made it easy for them to participate in sari. We were one of the first events, or maybe the first event, to start sari runs across the country, to make it easier. Then another thing was, you know, I just had a baby, I need to stay at home, my baby needs me, and we started baby wearing mothers coming to Pinkathon. We were the first event to create a breastfeeding zone in the event, so that breastfeeding mothers could participate, or abhi they're participating in big numbers. So like this, we started many initiatives within the event कि no woman should feel left behind. कि मैं इस कारण से नहीं आ सकती, या मैं इस कारण से exercise नहीं कर सकती, या दौड़ नहीं सकती. We tried to address every single one of those issues. But I'm very happy to say, जिन्होंने 3 किलोमीटर के साथ शुरुआत की, फिर वो 5 किलोमीटर पे गए, फिर वो 10 किलोमीटर पे गए, and eventually they started asking कि इसके आगे हम क्या कर सकते हैं. And just after the pandemic, when we came back, of course, Mumbai में पहले edition after the pandemic, we started under Ankita Kuar's guidance, who is now Ironman, of course. We started the 50 kilometer, 75 kilometer, and 100 kilometer categories. And again, according to me, in India, it is the only event that goes from the beginner level 3 kilometer to the ultra level 100 kilometer running event. And incredibly, इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आया. In Mumbai, 100 किलोमीटर दौड़ सकती है within 24 hours. The oldest woman to do the 50 kilometers was 76. So this is the kind of inspiring story that we want to tell everyone. In the 75 kilometer, the woman who ran, I think she was also over 50, I'm not sure. I shouldn't say that in public, but yeah, I think so. And she ran the 75 kilometer in a sari, just to show again कि कोई excuse नहीं होना चाहिए. You want to run even 100 kilometers, you can do it in a sari. So that is what we have been seeing in terms of growth at Pinkathon. And of course in the 8th edition in Delhi, we have the same distances, 3 kilometer भी है. शुरुआत के लिए 5 किलोमीटर है, 10 किलोमीटर है, 50 किलोमीटर है, 75 किलोमीटर है और 100 किलोमीटर. So a big round of applause for the women at Pinkathon, क्योंकि because of them we are here. So big round of applause, you can clap. Because of them, in every city, कि this is what we want to show the world, कि ये हो सकता है, to show each and every woman. And what we do is, जो भी दौड़ता है in these 24 hours, the 100 kilometers, 75 and 50, we bring them onto stage before the 3, 5 and 10 kilometer, दिखाने के लिए कि आज आपकी शुरुआत है, लेकिन ये हो सकता है आपके साथ, ये आप कर सकती हैं. देखो ये 60 साल की महिला है, वो करती है, ये 70 साल की है, वो कर सकती है, 80 साल की है, वो कर सकती है, तो आप क्यों नहीं कर सकती? You know, so this is a very, very inspiring event. Incredible stories of grit and resilience and strength. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm happy to introduce to you the founder of Invincible Women category in Pinkathon, Ankita Kuar. And I'd like her to say a few words in Hindi.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much.
Happy Lohri!
Happy Lohri! So we celebrated this morning Lohri with a 3-kilometer run in our traditional attire, just to begin with.
काफी ठंड थी.
Yeah, I think it was 5 degrees.
जैकेट उतरा नहीं है.
Welcome to Delhi.
So sweet. But to talk about the Invincible Women Run, it was inspired by as Milind already said, it was inspired by the women of Pinkathon. The kind of stories that we saw over a period of time, you know, people started running 3 kilometers and they aspired to run more and more. They aspired to do ultras. So it is not always possible for a woman to leave the house and, you know, travel to a different city, because we did have the city-to-city run. But it's not always feasible for each one of us to leave the house and, you know, our home, our families, to go to a different city and do a long distance run. So during the pandemic, we decided, you know, why not create a space where women would be more comfortable being at home, but also being able to do an ultra.
देखा जाए तो आई लॉस ऑफ माई विजन, मुझे पिंकाथॉन ने अपने पैरों पे खड़ा किया पहली बार, तो उसके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. जब मैंने 10 किलोमीटर रन किया 2015 में, मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा. अगेन मैं वीआई कैटेगरी में जो भी ओलंपिक्स गेम होते, पैरालंपिक्स गेम, उसमें उतरी और आज 2 टाइम्स इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर हूँ पैरालंपिक गेम गोलबॉल की. एंड मैं जस्ट अभी पटना से आई हूँ, एज अ कोच गई हूँ महाराष्ट्र टीम लेके वहाँ से, मुंबई से, एंड पटना से दिल्ली यहाँ पे सफ़र करके आई हूँ आप सबको मिलने, कि हम घर पे रह के भी अपने लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं. काम बहुत सारे होते हैं, मेरी भी फैमिली है, मैं भी ऑफिस संभालती हूँ, मैं एसोसिएशन संभालती हूँ, मैं काउंसलिंग करती हूँ, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें करती हूँ, कुकिंग करती हूँ, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. पर मैं स्पेशल टाइम अपने फिटनेस के लिए ज़रूर निकालती हूँ, क्योंकि हमारे पास अपना फिटनेस होना ज़रूरी है, उससे अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ.
Also, I can't even imagine somebody running for 100 kilometers and that to women. I think it is. I mean, women are the ones who don't look after themselves. I mean,
But I'll tell you,
And I think it is-
most people will say this because they have not seen you.
so I think, and then you talked about women carrying babies and then they're breastfeeding also and they're running also. This is something we were not able to imagine. So I see a lot of patients, and I will tell you that women don't take care of themselves. It is so very true, and it's very disheartening to see that. We see patients who come up and they say that we didn't disclose our cancer because we were thinking that Our son is going through an exam, so I thought that he'll get disturbed. So many stories. There was immense number of stories. So I think this is so very important when you run, when you exercise, you're taking care of yourself. And that's exactly what you echoed just now. That when you're taking care of yourself, your body gives you the signals and you pick up those signals. And this very test, though hard, 3 minutes every month, and एक आसान सा test, is basically telling you about self-breast.
I am Ritu, I am 53 years old. I am naval officer's wife. My husband is Sunil Hada. He is a ultra marathon runner. So he motivated only me to run. So in 2014 I joined Pinkathon. उससे पहले मैं just 10 किलोमीटर और 12 किलोमीटर रन करती थी. After joining Pinkathon, I started long distance running. Then I started 21. Then I did Bombay to Pune. Then I did Vrindavan to Delhi with Pinkathon only. So मुझे लगता है कि लेडी को खुद की हेल्थ का केयर करना चाहिए. Then you can take care of your family. We have 2 daughters. So मैं और मेरे हस्बैंड रन करते हैं तो वो भी हमें देख के इंस्पायर होती हैं. एल्डर वन इज हियर. वो भी पिंकाथन एंड नेवी मैराथन में आती है बिकॉज वी रन सो दे ऑल्सो डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो मॉर्निंग में मैं अपने लिए खुद टाइम निकालती हूँ. अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठ के मैं पहले अपने लिए रन करती हूँ. एवरी डे आई गो फॉर रन.
To be here, I'm Commander Priya Kurana, a naval veteran. I've put in 22 years of commissioned service in Indian Navy. And as Melinsa said that I started my running journey. I've been an active student in my childhood days also, in my school days also. And uske baad life happened. I almost quit sports and then joined Navy. In Navy, I did all kind of adventure sports, river rafting, you name it, I did it. Trekking, then skydiving. I became a solo certified skydiver. For a brief period, I was captain of the women's skydiving team in Indian Navy. I led all-women trek to Pindari Glacier also. So, but all these adventure sports, although I was enjoying, but the real kick I got when I started running. It happened that I went through a small surgery which became worse, and I was in ICU. So while in ICU, I thought ki okay, let me come out of ICU, then I'll run. Maybe I'll walk my first 3 kilometer or 5 kilometer. In July, I was in ICU. Then in
Bids to the mascots. So first to the 50-kilometer mascot, Aarti Lindhe. And they have gifts from Lifelong and Sirona. And also the first bid. Thank you, Dr. Singh. Understand the value of health and fitness. The second bid to the 75-kilometer category, Dr. Singhal and Ankita Kumar, please present the bib. And as always, the gift from Sirona and Lifelong to Ritu Chandel Handa. And finally, the first bid to the 100-kilometer runner, and the gift. Priya Kurana. And we'd like to take one group picture with all the mascots together. And many women, many families lost everything. Women lost their families, they lost their lives. थोड़ा बता दीजिए सबको कि आपकी जर्नी कैसी रही है? How has it been to be how you feel and how you created this habit of being fit in your life?
I believe actually that, like what the skydiving woman said, that it is a privilege to take care of our bodies. It does an amazing thing when you become a mother, when you become pregnant, and you know house a life and you birth another living being. That in itself is something commendable. But I feel like if you're able to still remember that if you are not well, if you are not healthy as a mother, then how can the child be healthy? So obviously being a yoga teacher before getting pregnant, that was already inculcated very much into my routine. I was very, very active all throughout the pregnancy, and even afterwards now, it's the priority for me. Absolutely. If I don't exercise, like everybody in the house knows it because I go insane. So I need my workout to keep my sanity, to keep myself.
रस्सी टापना ये सब चीज़ें होती थी, तो फिटनेस रहा है। और आई थिंक उसकी वजह से मुझे आज भी लगता है, कभी लोग आज भी मुझे सोचते हैं पायलट नहीं है कि एथलीट वगैरह है। समटाइम मैंने वॉक इन पीपल थिंक आप कोई स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह करते हो क्या? तो बिकॉज बचपन से ही थोड़ा फिटनेस में रहा, उसके बाद जॉब में ऑफ कोर्स बीइंग अ पायलट वी आर सपोज टू बी फिट। हमारे हर साल मेडिकल एग्जाम होता है विच वी हैव टू क्लियर। तो मुझे कभी टेंशन नहीं हुई कि अरे मेरा वेट बढ़ गया है, मुझे खाना हफ्ते में 10 दिन के लिए बंद करना है या कुछ है। एट द सेम टाइम बीइंग अ पायलट हमारा जो शेड्यूल होते हैं वो बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्टिव है। तो लाइक आई वुड ऑलवेज से लाइक मिलन सेड 5 मिनट्स निकाल सकते हैं, बिल्कुल निकाल सकते हैं। टर्मिनल 3 पे जब हम गेट 62 मिलता है, मैं अपने साथ साथ 4 लोग और होते हैं, हमारे साथ क्रू है, फर्स्ट ऑफिसर है, बोला चलो let's go, it's going with good brisk walk of 1.5 kilometer.
Thank you.